Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool idea. This is a valet rod, and basically what that is it's a rod that you can attach that's collapsed in your closet or dressing room area that can extend out to allow you to hang clothes so that you can easily view them without them being hung up. This one here is actually a nice aluminum rod, which is actually a 12-inch base like this. Extends out to 8 3/4 inches on this with a nice glide. Everything being aluminum on here, it's very lightweight but very strong. Can hold over 30 pounds on this, and it is actually a very good design. Does come with some screws to put this into wood, or they do send you with a set of bolts if you're going to be putting this into something else. And so we're going to be using the screws because we're putting it into wood. I'm going to go back in my closet and show you how we're going to get this installed. So here in my closet, I've got this 12-inch rod. You're just going to simply locate a spot where you think you'd like to have it so that this can extend out. And then we're going to go ahead and put these screws that are provided in here and just install them wherever it is. It gives you an adjustable area here in case you had a stud or something behind there that you're wanting to try to make sure that you hit. So now that we've got this rod installed, again, this is a nice rod. It comes out 8 3/4 inches here. You can pull it out, push it back in. So that's really nice that it can clamps be out of the way. It's got a nice ball in the end there to keep things from sliding off or to keep you running into it. Then whenever you're getting yourself ready in the morning and you're wanting to set out some clothes, you actually have this valet rod that comes out so you can set up your outfits and can easily see what it is that you're going to wear. Whenever you're done, simply tuck it away and it's like it was never there.